Hi guys, I got my Wizard of War board set out and I have a story for you on this. Okay, well let's tell the story. You can see I got my work stuff out. Let's put this chip back. It is a 157 up here. Alright. I got my Wizard of War board set out because I'm going to start testing. I got that whatchamacallit, SC-01 replacement chip all the way from Italy. A gentleman in Italy sent this to me to demo it in my Wizard of War. So I got my Wizard of War out. I put my speech chip in it and I turned it on and I saw smoke and there was snap, crackle, and popping going on. And I turned it off really quick and I looked and my CPU board was in backwards. Absolutely in backwards. How freaking idiotic of me to do that. I removed it and automatically I was thinking, oh my god, I killed my custom chips. But I didn't. The only thing that it killed was these 3 chips. It absolutely blew them up. They were smoking and stinking. But those 3 chips were all it was. And put it back together. Come on. Is it in there right? Yeah. All right. It's in correct. It's in right, I mean. So let's fire it up. I have just the speech channel on right now. There's 3 channels for Wizard of War. Anyway, I repaired my board. But I've got it on... I've got 2 channels on right now. So apparently you don't need to ground it. I've got just 2 channels going through my amplifier right now. It's not grounded, so I think that's why it sounded funny. But I can I don't know which channel this is. One of them's speech. There's 3 channels. And I don't know if this is the speech channel or the sound effect channel or the music channel. Alright. This is the speech channel. It's got to be. So I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to turn it back on. Yeah, see, that's the speech channel. So I'm going to just let it go and kind of... He'll say random different stuff. And this is with the original speech chip. I don't know what he's saying right there. There's the insert coin. Sounds better if you do it like this.
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha. I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha. K insert join. K insert join. Find me, however, the floor. I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha. K insert join. Find me, however, the floor.
Okay. That's a pretty good,
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha.
you know what I want to do? Where's my phone? I want to record this.
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha.
I'm going to get voice recorder.
K insert join.
And I want to record this.
K insert join.
Okay.
Find me, however, the floor.
Excellent. I just recorded both of those. I'm going to turn it off. And this is the chip. It's a SC-01 emulator. And I'll put this in the board and we will compare. So let me go ahead and get this thing ready and I'll be back. Okay, I have the replacement in and I'm going to go ahead and fire up the game.
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha. I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha.
Okay. I think it might be a touch, the volume might be a touch
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha.
a touch down, perhaps.
K insert join. K insert join.
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to record this.
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha. K insert join. Find me, however, the floor.
Okay.
K insert join. K insert join.
I'm just taking samples.
K insert join. K insert join. Find me, however, the floor.
Okay.
I'm Votrax bait. Ha 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 ha. Find me, however, the floor.
One more sample.
I'm
Ah.
Votrax
I wasn't ready.
Insert going. I'm out of sight.
Okay. All right, now I am going to,
I'm out of sight.
I'll email these to myself, these samples to myself, download them, and then we'll look at them on the computer. By the way, this is the chip on the board.
Insert going.
You can see when it's getting data, it lights up, the light comes on.
Find me the Wizard of War. Find me the Wizard of War.
It's pretty good. It's a little slower maybe.
Insert going.
When we do the side by side, we'll really be able to see the differences. So let's do that.
Insert going.
Okay, I'm just going to record a little bit of playing the game.
I'm out of sight.
So I will coin it up.
My Orleans are very, very hungry. One bite from my praise, and you'll explode. If you try any harder, you'll only need with boom. Warlock will escape through the door.
Warlock will escape through the door. I think this is clearer. It's not. It's
Now
a.
you get the heavyweights.
I think it's a little deeper. It's a little more of a baritone robot voice. But I think it's clearer, to be honest.
I'll fry you with my lightning bolts.
I will fry you with my lightning bolts. I can actually tell what he's saying now. I never really could before.
Your bones will lie in the contents of war.
Your bones will lie in the contents of war? That's what it sounded like. Get him!
Warrior, you won't have a chance for your dance. The war hasn't eaten anyone in months. Our war, go after them.
Ugh.
My creatures are radioactive. Now you get the heavyweights.
Well, that's it. You get a good dose of how it sounds. So now we'll go over to the computer and get a good side-by-side comparison of just a couple of the phrases.
I am the Wizard of War.
See, that time it was clearly I am a Wizard of War.
Now you get the heavyweights. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, now I'm set up here, and we will go ahead and do a little comparison here. Let me turn the volume up on the TV a little bit. Alright, I've got these labeled OG Coin, OG Wizard of War, and the Replicate Coin and Replica Wizard of War. So first we'll do the coins.
Pay, insert, coin.
This is the OG, this is the original chip.
Pay, insert, coin. Pay, insert, coin.
And here is,
Pay, insert, coin.
this is the replica.
Pay, insert, coin. Pay, insert, coin.
And the original.
Pay, insert, coin. Pay, insert, coin. Pay, insert, coin.
And here is the original Wizard of War.
Find me the Wizard of War.
Here it is again.
Find me the Wizard of War.
And the replica.
Find me the Wizard of War. 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 Pay, insert, coin. Pay, insert, coin.
Okay, yeah, it's just, I think it's really clear. I think it's really cleared up the actual speech, but the pitch is a little different. The pitch is a little bit down as opposed to the original. So that is my consensus on this little test, is that I think the replica is clearer, is more clear than the original, but it's a little off pitch. It's a little lower on the pitch. So that concludes my test. And I would like to do this with Qbert, and I do have a Qbert board that is a bootleg that has video issues, but I think the sound works. I could populate the sound section on it and test this on that. I think it's worth doing. So I think I will do that, and there will be a Qbert test at a later time, because I actually have to do some work on that. So, but yep, that's going to wrap this one up.